Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how we can identify IC using its footprint and using its circuit. Basically, it is a question from my viewer. He sent me this connection diagram. If we see this IC, pin number 16 is connected to 5 volt and pin 4 is connected to 5 volt. This channel A input, it have two output. Then pin number 15 input, 13, 14 output. Pin 3 input, 1, 2 output. And pin 7 input, 5, 6 output. That means this IC is receiving input at one pin and it is providing two signals. Then my viewer sent me this message, audio note.
आईसी की वो उसका ब्लॉक सर्किट जो बना हुआ है ना बहुत मैंने ट्रेस किया है और उसका नंबर जो है ना वो कहीं गुम हो गया हुआ है आईसी का वो नंबर हमें मिल नहीं रहा तो
He told me that he draw this circuit by its footprint on the PCB and the IC is not available. He don't have this IC. So I asked him to send this picture of the PCB. So this is the picture of the PCB. It is optical encoder. It is from Sanyo denki. It is incremental encoder, optical encoder. It is installed on the shaft and it provides shaft rotation at the direction. Let's see this image again. So pin 12, that is grounded. Ground is pin number 8. Pin number 4, that is VCC. How we can determine which type of IC is there? In any optical encoder, it provides one signal. Then this signal is provided to a block. It is called differential driver. It will provide two outputs. One is simple, second is inverted. This signal is high. This signal will high and it will opposite. It is called differential driver. Then this signal will reach to the next circuit because optical encoder is installed away from the computer. When it will reach here, here is differential receiver. It will check these both signals and then it will provide the same output that is here. We can say it is a line driver. If there is any distortion, any interruption, anything wrong in the transmission line, because it is around 5 meter to 50 meters long. Most of the time the signal transmission is from 5 meter to 50 meter long. Shaft position here will be transmitted through this differential wire. Let's see the number of this IC. We will go to digikey.com because it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 channel. We will search here quadruple differential line driver because this encoder is installed on the transmitter side. SN75 ALS192. Open a new tab. It is showing it is line driver. We will check its datasheet, copy, go to Google, datasheet, alldatasheet.com and 192, it is quad differential line driver. Yes, it is 16 pin IC and we have 16 pin IC. Pin number 1, that is input, 2, 3 output. Pin number 4 is connected to 5 volt. Pin number 7, that is input, signal and 2 outputs. 9 input, 10, 11 output, 15 input, 4A. A means input, YZ output, 13, 14 output, and pin number 12 inverted enable signal. So we will see some other ICs. Then there is AM2632. It is quadruple differential line receiver. We don't need receiver, we need driver. Then there is AM26C31. Check its datasheet. Yes, it is the same. Here is enable pin. We can directly hook up by checking its truth table. Yes, here is the truth table. If you want to turn on gate number 1 and 2, then we will turn on this pin number 4 high. When it is high, it will start communication. And the other side enable pin, if it is connected to low, it will start communication. Then, yes, this is a very common IC, 75174. We will check this IC. Copy this number and we will search its datasheet. Here is the datasheet for 75174. It is ALS174. Pin number 4, that is enable pin for this first portion and the second portion. This pin 12, that is for this side 3 number and 4 number driver. If enable pin is high, the channel will start working. So in this condition, if we want to start transmission just only, we can cut this pin number 12 from the ground, just only connect to pin number 4. 12 with pin number 4, all channels will start communication. Any encoder input at pin number 9 and 15 will start working when we will connect pin number 12 to high. And this is already connected, so we need to remove this jumper and we can make jumper here, it will start working. This is one option, and we will see some other ICs as well. These are receivers. 31 we checked. (172) is driver. Yes, 172, it is the exactly what we need. Pin 4, if it is connected to high and 12 is connected to ground, it will start working. This is exactly what we are looking for. As my viewer asked here, pin number 12 connected to ground, pin number 4 connected to 16 number pin, supply pin. That means our required IC is 75172, quadruple differential driver. And here is truth table. If G is high, it will start communication. And if G bar is connected to low, G bar is 12 number pin. If it is connected to low and it is connected to 16 number pin VCC, all encoders will start communication. So if we can find this IC, it will work. If we have 75174 at that time, we can remove pin number 12 and we can connect to VCC. It will also work. In this way, we can try to find the exact equivalent or our required component. In this technique, in reverse engineering, first we need to know the exact behavior of the circuit. What is the configuration of the circuit? What is the function of that IC? If we have some good idea about that IC, then we can find. Here we can use AM26C31, we can use 75172 or 174 with some alteration. I hope this video is informative. If it is good, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.